Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Beach TV Official. Guys, dito na tayo sa Edmonton. Ngayon pumunta lang kami dito sa windshield repair kasi nagkaroon ng chip yung windshield namin na anuhan kahapon ng bato. Kaya nagkaroon ng maliit na crack. So, ipapa-repair natin yan guys. Hindi makita masyado pero yan. May dyan eh. Hindi makita guys. Pero mamaya guys, i-repair ng mama. Kaya mag-antay-antay, nakapila kami. Nabinyagan kahapon. Maliit lang naman pero mas maigi na ng maagapan kaysa lumaki ang ang linya. Okay guys, balikan ko kayo. Guys, mag-antay pa rin tayo. Nandito lang kami sa South Edmonton Common. Dito banda sa Canadian Tire guys. Antay lang tayo. Humingi muna tayo ng pahintulot kung pwede may video siya. Sabi naman niya ay okay. Okay guys, it's our...
I'm just gonna start on hers and
sure.
then get started on yours.
Sure. Inaano niya lang yung pan guys, yung kabilang sasakyan. Kasi nauna yun siya sa atin eh. Kaya, wait lang tayo.
$1 siguro.
Guys, kapag hindi, kung hayaan mo lang na maliit, lalaki yan guys dahil ang lamig at saka init, humahaba yung linya ng, yung crack na Kaya,
So we drill into the middle layer of the windshield because there's two layers. So it's called the laminate that we drill into. And that's where all that black air is trapped inside. So we drill into that middle layer. We fill it with an acrylic so it hardens up in the sun. And then we fill in that drill hole with the resin that also hardens up in the sun.
Okay.
There's always a scar left over after any repair, but that's normal. You get that anywhere you go. I call it just kind of the skeleton of the chip, but it's normal. So.
okay, thank you. Guys, this is how they're gonna do it. They're drilling a hole a little bit. That's what he's explaining.
I'll just get you to sign this waiver, and then you're good to go.
This is the guy that was doing it. They drill it. And guys, yan guys. Yeah.
Check it out.
Sure.
And you said YouTube.
Yeah, it's in YouTube. Guys, now he's starting it now. He's doing it.
So this is the contraption we put the actual acrylic into the crack with.
Okay.
Under pressure.
No, guys. So how long you've been doing this?
This is my 3rd year now.
Wow. It's been a long time. So guys, yan. What do you call that? Oh, pinapasok niya yata guys. I mean, sinusunan. It's kind of light or something.
So the flame is just kind of to help it get into the places where it would have trouble normally.
Uh-huh.
And because it's a cold day, it just helps it a lot.
Oh, okay.
Now we wait.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. They're really good in fixing the windshield. Guys, yan. Hindi mo masyado makita. Can't see it properly, but later on, everything is fixed. It's ready to go. Almost done. Just doing the flames, guys, just to protect. Yeah. What is your name?
Sorry?
What is your name?
Evan.
Evan. Thanks,
Yeah.
Evan. Guys, his name is Evan. He's the one who's fixing it. And he's putting some glue, I guess.
Okay.
Ginawa niya lang yan. Very clear kasi.
And there's just this waiver to look over here. So I'll give this to you. Just when you're done reading, just scroll to the very bottom of that, and the box will turn orange for you. Just click that, and then press accept and proceed, and then just initial or sign in the next space that comes up. All good?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and I'll put this through, and then you'll get the email shortly.
Okay. Thanks,
And I'll
Evan.
get this cleaned up, and you're good to go.
Okay,
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Guys, he scraped a little bit and he'll clean it and we're done.
If you have any issues with it in the future, there's a lifetime warranty on it. So just bring it back, we'll fix it for free.
Okay, thanks. So you always stay in this place or everywhere?
No, they send us all over the place.
Oh, okay.
But starting probably mid-April, there should be someone here almost every day.
Oh,
So,
okay.
yeah. Okay, you're all good to go.
Thank you, Evan.
Have a good
Thank
one.
you. You too.
Thanks.
Take care. Okay, guys, now we're done. So please don't forget. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel, Vij TV Official. Ingat po and God bless.